143 Norham virtual tour. This is a nice house, one car garage located in Bedford, Ohio. Let's go inside and look at this one. It's really a nice home. We just updated it quite a bit. You can see all the floors are wood and have been repolished. Beautiful. Paint, plugs, switches, lights, all new blinds. This gorgeous house has a nice big kitchen with all the appliances. It's got the refrigerator, gas cooking, brand new or newer cabinets, nice eat-in area. Two bedrooms, one bath with it's really got a huge extension on it right here. So you can make this a study, or it's got an exit door right there. So you can make it a study, a family room, whatever you want. It's really a big, nice extra room. Make your dining room, whatever you want. And then there's a toilet right here. Full bath. And here's another bedroom. So you could use that one for your master back there. We also got a really big one upstairs too, which I'll show you. Utility closet. Let's go upstairs here. Put all new flooring up here, waterproof, vinyl. Really nice stuff. And as you can see, this is a nice, big bedroom. Huge storage. So we've got two, and this has a newer everything in it. So it's got paint, plugs, switches, lights, blinds, and you can see this is a gigantic room. So you basically have two huge bedrooms in here. And that's what makes this place unique and very nice. You have a storage area there too. It also has a basement. So let's go down there. New hot water heater was put in. Washer and dryer stays. You can see here it's all nice and clean. Here, your washer and dryer, newer heater, brand new water heater. Lots of places for storage here. So, you know, if you're looking for a place to rent, this is the place. So this ends a virtual tour, but this is a nice place in Bedford, Ohio.